Here's what happens during a diagnostic hearing test. Firstly, we'll discuss your hearing, health and lifestyle. Secondly, we'll check inside your ears for blockage using an otoscope. Thirdly, we'll go into a sound booth and do a beep test where you will press a button after hearing different pitches of sound. Fourthly, we'll do a speech test to hear how clearly you can hear in background noise. And finally, we'll go through your results and explain everything to you. If you want to get your hearing tested, book an appointment with Walker Hearing Clinics today.